Here are 8 new emojis, now available on iPhone and Mac with iOS 18.4 and macOS Sequoia 15.4, respectively. First, update your iPhone to the latest software under the Settings, General, and Software Update. My iPhone is installed with iOS 18.4. I will see you in the Messages app. Open Conversation and tap on the emoji icon for the emoji keyboard. Search with emoji name for face with bags under eyes. This is new face emoji. Then root vegetable looks like this. This and the fingerprint emoji. This is leafless tree. New flag. Sark added an emoji. Then splatter. Then use heart and shovel emoji in your Apple emoji keyboards on updated iOS and macOS. You can download this sticker pack images from the link given in video description and pin comment. That's it. Don't forget to share with your friends and family. And enjoy new emoji on your iPhone.